Good morning, vloggy. It's the 4th of July. We're kind of having a relaxing morning because we know that we're going to be downtown Kona for most of the day. Are we foggy? A little foggy on the edge.
Yeah.
Oh, that worked. Thank you. So, being our last morning, we needed to make sure that we cooked. We weren't able to cook everything that we had, but we didn't waste very much, honestly. So we've got the taro that we picked up at the Hilo Farmers Market and Portuguese sausage, and today we soft boiled the eggs instead of frying them up. So we'll crack open the eggs. Let's see if we can get a good ooze. Oh, this is really hard to do left-handed. Can you?
Really hard to do right-handed.
Is it properly cooked? Gooey?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's dip some deliciousness into our eggies. Alright, vloggy. We are finally heading out. It's like 12:30 in the afternoon, but we're pretty much packed. And the car's cleaned out. So tonight should be nice and easy and not our normal insanity. Oh! I guess someone forgot to pay the fountain bill. I don't think it's a water level thing. We had some time to kill before we catch the bus, so we stopped at the Shave Ice, got half pineapple, half Lee Hang, and it's amazing. I just showed you the front to pretend like we hadn't already eaten it. So there is a bus over there. I don't know if that's our bus. We made it on the bus. Give me a spoon.
One more.
Rest is you. God, that's good. How fun. I love the big open windows. Alright, we're at Scandinavian Shave Ice for our second shave ice of the day. We got Lee Hang and Ube, and there should be some Dole Whip in the center. Phil said it was good. I haven't had it yet.
Put it in fourth.
Put it in fourth gear. Fourth gear.
Oh my god, that combo.
3, 4.
Alright, now drop down to first.
Oh my god, that's so good. So we were watching these beautiful waves, and Phil and I got absolutely nailed by one. And so we've just been drying off. It's gorgeous. It's right behind the little shops. But the waves are beautiful. It smells great. Minus being soaking wet. It's a good time. Of course, now they're just these little piddly things. We got nailed by one that was more like that one. But who knows, maybe that'll be piddly by the time it gets here too. Yeah, ours was more like that. But it's very pretty. I can't believe we're leaving tomorrow. I think we're hungry. We didn't eat lunch. We've had 2 shave ices and breakfast. So I think we might just do like a really early dinner. So we're at Kona Canoe Club. We got the teriyaki tidbits and the nachos. These were, I think, 8. How much for the these are 6, and that was 15.
Oh, the nachos.
Yeah, lots of nachos, and it's beautiful here. We're right on the water. Couldn't ask for more. So we have planted ourselves. We are right along a Lake Drive. You can see the fireworks barge out there. And the parade's gonna start in about an hour. Lots of 4th of July revelers out here. We're not 100% sure why no one else is sitting here, but we've already been drenched once today, so if we get drenched again, that's how it is.
There's a turtle out there. Just trying to be quarter of it. Yeah, we're really filled in around here. Aerial show? Aerial show.
It's very funny. It's my joke. We'll start at
They scrubbed the crap out of that truck. Oh, turtle on the back, poke it out. I don't know if he got Snoopy license or not. Shotgun. I love how they have their names. American Legion's way bigger than the VFW here.
here and stuff. I worried about that door closing on me.
Official
They
use
did
only.
it right. They have someone hanging out of the back.
Official use only.
This is official.
Officially
This is a
parade.
state event. Technically a national event.
The yacht club, age appropriate.
But there's a dog.
It's the Rotary with the peace pole. Do they just have their own peace pole, or did they take the other one and put it on here? The peace pole's missing for the afternoon.
Where's the robot?
They are the robots. No, that's the trick. They are the robots.
You made the same joke that my dance made.
What do you say?
He said, good job, robots. Keep doing what you do. I want to drive the lava mobile.
Here you go, you drove the Iron Man mobile.
I did. Mine was not that fancy.
Of course, it's hilarious.
You did not use your showpiece unless it's a lid.
Where the cars are made mostly of wood.
I wonder how far you can go with that tire.
He knows them, of course.
Of course he does.
See?
Oh my god, there's
Finding the toy at you.
a fish in the net.
No, see?
Andy, I don't know what's left.
Told you.
Man, those tires are polished to a sheen.
I love the light up in the center.
Oh, didn't notice that.
It looks really good.
I guess that's why thing you take the doors off for. The fun inflatable. They have a little band-aid on it. They have a band-aid on the boo-boo. It's a ducky. Tell me, what'd you think?
It was a fun parade. Well, we flip around.
You guys sucking those in the
Vloggy, the fireworks show has been over for almost 45 minutes. The bus was supposed to come half an hour ago, and it hasn't. I'm worried that it's not going to come. Phil is more confident than I am.
The restaurant's rated the 8th best cheeseburger in the U.S.
The 8th best cheeseburger, that's pretty high. It's according to Yelp. Yelp's not real. We're just sitting here. There's other people too, so I mean, we're not the only people waiting for the bus, but I would just feel... We saw a bus go the other direction, but it was totally empty.
Worst case, we have to wait for that one to get there and come back.
I think we're probably waiting for that one to get there and come back.
Oh, I started the driver. I know what he looks like. We made it.